The U.S. dependency on oil has increased greatly. Our energy originates from a non-renewable source and we are running low. It is very important that we find a renewable source of energy to incorporate into our daily lives.
Such thing.
Yes. I believe biomass is using biological waste as an energy source.
These materials can be converted into fibers and industrial chemicals such as biofuels. It can also be used as a fuel, and because these are renewable sources of energy, they can always be replenished.
I was not aware that biomass had such a large presence in our energy consumption. I thought it hadn't been as developed yet as solar power or wind power.
That would be pretty cool. Make us kind of green.
I would feel proud that our town is at the forefront of renewable energy and contributing to a greener tomorrow.
I think it's a great idea. I think that recycling and using what we can from the environment will help save the planet in the long run. So we should definitely do it.
I think I might be in favor of that. I want to know more about it, but it seems like it's a pretty good way to spend the money compared to some of the ways we do.
Yes, I'd definitely be more willing if things didn't have to be torn down. But if in the long run it would make a big impact on the environment, I would still do it even if something had to be torn down. So again, we have to think about the future and not what's going on just directly now. Definitely the long term, because we have to think about the future for our children, our grandchildren, and we have to save the planet now and recycle and think about what's ahead of us, because once we run out of our fuel now, then we'll have nothing. So we need to start planning and doing something about it now.
I didn't get a chance to think of my answer.
Can I do it?
Mom.
Oh, now?
What was the question?
Won't you just leave me alone?